Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to enable video chapterization in your YouTube channel. YouTube introduced couple of days ago this features, and this feature is most important for the YouTuber. So what exactly process to on video chapterization? Let's check it out. Before start the video, as usual, you please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply look at this. I upload this video in this particular title, description. I added everything like here, thumbnail, where exactly I publish, and the no, and then here show less, and you click here show more. So here options are automatically comes here, like here first option are available, chapter automatic chapterization are available here. First of all, this one is not enable. You just simply check here and the enable as a chapterization in your YouTube channel. So YouTube automatically your video contains as a chapterization like a 30-second, 40-second, 1 minute, accordingly how much information you are providing as a one stroke. YouTube automatically consider those information and make as a chapterization. Nowadays you saw a number of videos are available for the chapterization point of view. So you just simply check this option and chapterization activate and publish your video. It's quite simple to on as a YouTube chapterization in your YouTube studio. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.